Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got some fantastic ideas to help you make the most out of your small living room space. Whether you are working with limited square footage or just want a fresh look, these ideas are perfect for you. Let's dive in. In small space, the key to great design in furniture that pulls double duty. Think about investing in pieces that serve more than one purpose, such as a sofa that magically transforms into a comfy bed or a ottomans with secret storage. This is not just furniture, it is game changer that supercharge your space, making it work harder and smarter. Imagine having a cozy living room by day and a comfortable bedroom by night, all in one. Plus hidden storage in unexpected place keep your space neat and tidy. It is not just about having furniture, it is about having furniture that as versatile as you are, maximizing both style and functionality in your small living room. Mirror work like magic in small room, creating the illusion of more space and a brighter atmosphere. To achieve this effect, statically place mirror in key location. A larger statement or a gallery wall featuring smaller mirrors are excellent choice. These reflective surfaces not only add depth to your room but also bounce light around, making the space feel open and airy. Choose a mirror that complements your style and fits well with the room decor. This simple trick is an affordable and stylish solution to enhance the visual appeal of your small living space, instantly making it feel more expensive and welcoming. In a small room, use the vertical space wisely. Choose floating shelf or wall mounted storage to keep things handy while making the room look taller. These clever storage solutions not only save floor space but also add a touch of style to your decor. When you have limited room to work with, it is like giving your wall a job. They become fashionable pictures. Your essential neatly organized on chic shelves and the room feeling more spacious than it actually is. It is a win-win. So next time you are arranging your small living space, remember to look up and make the most of that overlooked vertical space. Your room will thank for it. Selecting the perfect color patterns can work wonder in giving your room a wild new vibe. When it comes to small space, go for light and natural colors for your walls, furniture and accessories. Why well, light tones have this fantastic ability to bounce off more light, instantly making your room feel spacious, airy and inviting. Think soft whites, gentle beings or substyle to create a bright and open atmosphere. These color not only visual expand the space but also provide a soothing backdrop. So when you are pondering paint or picking out pillows, remember light and natural shades are your secret weapons for transforming the sung living room into a cozy heaven. Rugs do more than just look pretty, they are like magic carpets that help organize your small living room. Imagine your room as a puzzle, and rugs are the pieces that create cozy zone. Place a rug under your sofa and chairs to make a comfy sitting nook, or under a bookshelf and a couple of chairs for a dedicated reading corner. It is like drawing lines on a map to show where everything belongs. Not only does this add a touch of style, but it but it also makes your room feel neat and organized. So next time you will wondering how to suppress up your space, roll out a rug and let it work. It is room defending magic. And there you have it, 5 simple ideas to transform your small living room into a stylish and functional space. Which tip was your favorite? Let's know it comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, or if you found this helpful, subscribe for more design inspiration, and we will see you in the next video. Happy decorating.